Moving towards the second method, that is by using a reduce and a lambda function. So first we are going to import a library, that is we are going to import a reduce from our function tools. After that we are going to initialize our list, and after that we are going to use a reduce and a lambda function over here. So what does this is going to do is it's going to reduce the list into the string, and the function over here, what it's going to do is it's going to add the two elements together, and the reduce is going to give you an output in the formation of a string, and we are saving it into the string number one, and we have them as an output. But the only drawback of this is you need to add the spaces after the elements by your own self. It is not going to add it, so make sure you guys remember that while in the join we have an output like we are going to separate it, but over here you have to add the spaces after the each and every elements.